Hello viewer, welcome to yet another lesson. So today we shall be looking at the objects in the day and in the night skies. So what objects come to mind when you think of the sky? So you have objects like the sun, the clouds, birds, animals, stars, and the moon. What other objects do you see in the sky when you look up? So let's take a look at objects in the day sky. Alright, so before we start, let's take a look at this one. You must avoid looking at the sun directly with your eyes. Looking at the sun directly can damage your eyes. So during the day, the sky is very bright. You see some clouds and the sun. The sun is the brightest and the biggest object in the day sky. The sun appears to be small because it is very far from us. So in the image there, you can see the sky, you can see the sun, and then the clouds there. So let's take a look at some importance of the objects in the day sky. So we get vitamin D from the sun. Vitamin D gives us the energy to grow. Also, plants use energy from sunlight to make their own food to help them grow. Clouds in the sky gives us rain. Rainwater can be used for washing, cooking, bathing, etc. Also, the heat from the sun helps us to dry our wet clothes. The sun can be used in preserving foodstuffs such as maize, cassava, fish, and then so on. So these are some importance of the objects in the day sky. So we get vitamin D from the sun. Plants also use the sunlight in preparing their food. Also the clouds help in the rainfall, and then the sun or the heat from the sun helps us to dry our clothes. And then farmers also use heat from the sun in preserving some of their foodstuffs or their crops. Alright, so now let's take a look at some objects in the night sky. Have you ever looked at the sky in the night before? Observe the sky in the night when you are home. You will see the moon and the stars in the night sky. You will also see a few clouds in the night sky. Just as you see clouds in the day sky, clouds are also found in the night sky. The moon is the biggest object in the night sky. The moon and the stars give us light during the night. Do you know the shape of the moon changes from time to time? Alright, so you have some images there. You have an image of the moon and then an image showing the stars. So all these can be found in the night sky. Alright, so now let's take a look at the importance of the objects in the night sky. The moon and the stars brightens the surface of the earth during the night. Without the moon and the stars, everywhere will be totally dark during the night. The clouds in the night also give us rain. So these are some importance of the objects in the night sky. So the stars and the moon brighten the surface of the earth at night, and also the clouds in the night sky also help in rainfall. Alright, so now let's take a look at some differences and similarities in the night and the day skies. So first, let's take a look at the differences. So we can find the sun in the day sky, but not in the night sky. We can also find the stars and the moon in the night sky, but not in the day sky. So these are the differences. So with the differences, you can find the sun in the day sky, but not at night. You can also find the stars and the moon at night, but not during the day. Alright, now let's look at the similarities. So the only object that can be found in both the day sky and the night sky is the cloud. So that is the similarity there. So it's only the cloud that can be found in the day sky and the night sky. So does the sky's object change over time? Yes, they do. So it takes the Earth 24 hours to make a complete day. In a 24-hour cycle, the sky changes from being bright to getting dark. The cycle of day and night takes place. The day starts in the morning when the sun rises in the east. The sky is bright with clouds through to the afternoon. We go to school and also go out to play during the day. We see the sun across the sky throughout the day till it sets in the evening in the west. This is when we see the night sky. The sky becomes dark in the night. We see the moon and the stars which give us light in the night. We also see clouds in the night sky. We sleep throughout the night and wake up in the morning when the sun rises again. The cycle starts again the next day. Day and night show a cyclic movement because they occur in the same order repeatedly. The interval between day and night is always the same. Alright, so today we've learned about the objects in the day and then the night sky and then their importance. Good. I believe I've been helpful with this lesson. And this hopefully we shall meet some other time. Bye bye.